Hey everyone, it's Bob again. It's Thursday and we're on our second trip. We're heading south to Arizona, but not to Tucson. We've got a load of 65-foot long beams. They're going from Chef Steel in Linden, Utah. The material is actually for a project that SME Steel is working on, but they contracted it out. They do that when they get busy. I don't know if they're coating it, painting it, or what they're doing, but they're shipping it down to this place in Apache Junction. So we've got these long beams and we're heading to Arizona. Well, we got down here to Apache Junction. We're just on the street coming in. There's only me and Jared here with steel loads, so maybe they'll jump right on us in the morning. Got it all ready to unload. Just got a couple minimal straps on there just so we can move inside their yard in the morning, and we'll take everything, the rest of it off then, and they can unload. up right at 8 o'clock, and we went in and got unloaded. It only took like 10 minutes. He was very thorough, though, in measuring and taking pictures, but it wasn't because he was worried about damage. But apparently they're just painting this stuff, and once it's painted, they're putting the exact same load back on a truck and shipping it to the job site in Queen Creek. Why do all the figuring of loading up a truck if it came in one way, you can send it right back out the same. So that's what he was doing.
Right. What's your travel license tell you?
We're on our way to get reloaded. Haven't been there in a while, but we're going to Pabco up by Las Vegas. Go up and grab that, and hopefully it won't be a long line. well, we got that wallboard on. Well, it's not really wallboard. It's kind of that soundproofing board. It's inch-thick drywall. Like when you're doing a condominium or a townhouse or whatever, it's the separating wall. And it's basically for sound deadening and fireproofing. So that you don't hear the neighbors, and if they start a fire, it doesn't get into your unit. Anyway, it's all loaded. We're strapped down. I threw a tarp over it. I don't know if I'm going to hit anything or not, but you never know, so I don't want it to get wet. So we should get home about 10 o'clock. Okay, well, we made it home. It's just at 10 o'clock tonight. Just about when I thought I would. I didn't fuel or anything on the way home just because I was a little lazy and wanted to get home. We're all home. Everything's covered, so I don't have to worry about rain or nothing. And it'll deliver in Orem on Monday, and then we'll get started on the next part of the adventure. So that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.